Oh. Ooh, yes, that is cool. And drop the drain plug right in this boiling hot oil. Hi there. We're under 2014, 15, I don't know. Subaru XV Crosstrek. We're doing an oil change. It's very simple. It takes 5.1 quarts, OW20 synthetic. I'll drop the part number right here. I just used the simple CarQuest one. R84356. It's a Fram 7317, or some of them say it takes a 6607, but a 6607 is a little bit shorter, so it gets a 7317. It's bigger. It has this huge shield under it, but Subaru and Nissan, most of your Japanese companies, give you this little hole to work out of. So, and it is a, it looks like it's about a 14. Let's see, that's a 16. It's gonna be too big. No, it's a big dude. Wouldn't be like a, it's a 17. Huh, that's a 17. Let's get this broke loose. Cool. This is scalding hot, of course, because it's just been driven here. What I'm going to do, I've got my extension in my socket. Oh. Ooh, yes, that is cool. And drop the drain plug right in this boiling hot oil. Let that drain. I'll go up top and I'll do the filter. Oh no. Oh no. We got the filter broke loose. I took a pair of pliers. Like I said, I'm going to, there's a drain hole there. Ooh, that thing is hot. Let that run for a minute. Let that drain for a sec. And put the new one on. I took a little break cleaning a rag, cleaned that out. So now I'm going to put the filter. I put a little bit of oil on it, lubricate it. I'm going to put the filter on, like such. If you need to know the part number, it is a Fram 7317, which cross references to that. That's the AutoZone CarQuest part number. So we got the oil out, got the filter changed. I have my 020 high mileage Mobil 1. It takes 5.1, so like I said, I'll find something in there to let this, like, I'll put a splash of 1040, or if you use oil additive, this is a good time to do that. So, I'll take our 17. Tighten that back down to right about there. Ha! And we'll take a paper towel, wipe that little bit of oil off, but then we're going to slide up here. You guys can see right there. Perfect. Perfect. Of course, there's a bug on my elbow. So I'm going to do that glug for a little bit. That should sit like that. Do its thing for a few minutes while I clean up underneath. We're done. Sock it. Fired up. yet. Don't see any drips. Cool. There's good there. Just change the oil change on Subaru. 20-minute job. Bet.